just because.
Excuse me, that wasn't left right there. That was
It's mine.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
Sorry, guys. Continue with the video.
So we're doing a quick oil change on this 2014 Porsche Carrera S. So the oil change is pretty basic. Do expect to wait a little longer if you are gonna wait for it. We like to let them drain for at least 30 to 40 minutes just because they hold so much oil and it just takes a long time for it all to drain out. Like you can see right now, we've already had this one draining for, I wanna say at least 10 minutes, and we still have a nice little stream going. And then once all the oil comes out, it'll start dripping. So that's why we like to let them drain longer. Every oil change does get a multi-point inspection. So we're gonna check the brakes, the tires, all your fluids, windshield wipers. We're also gonna do a fault code reading. If you have any faults in the system, we'll let you know what systems do have codes, if you do have any. But now that it's been draining for at least 45 minutes, you can see now how it's a nice little drip instead of the stream that we had. And now we're gonna put the drain plug on with a fresh washer. We're gonna be torquing the drain plug to 50 Newton meters. So we already have the rear lid in service mode. And on this 911, to access the oil filter, you gotta remove the engine compartment fans. And the oil filter's right down here. We already loosened it too before draining the oil. Put your little engine cover back on. We're gonna start off with around 8 quarts, just in case we do overfill it, which I doubt it, but it's better to add than to drain. We will need to drive it since we do need to get the oil hot to get the oil measurement. We'll finish doing our full multi-point, and then we're gonna take it for a drive, get the oil hot, and then get the oil level reading. So this one's all good to go. We're not gonna recommend anything on this service just because.
Excuse me, that wasn't left right there.
It's mine.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
Sorry, guys. Continue with the video.
But this service is all wrapped up. We're not gonna do any recommends this time.
We've already did the recommendations.
Take 45. This car's all wrapped. Jeez, I said so again. This one's all wrapped up, ready to go. We're not gonna do any recommendations this time just because we've already done all the recommendations in the past.
Everything's up to date. Said recommendations twice.
We can't?
We're not going to do any more recommendations because the vehicle's up to date with its maintenance.
Okay, I like that. This is my action for. Okay, so this one, we're not gonna do any recommendations on this car today just because it's already up to date on all of its services. So this one's good to go.